Welcome to our video on the top 5 angle finders. If you're looking for a reliable tool to measure angles with precision, you're in the right place. These angle finders offer various features and designs to suit different needs. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Tooleye Angle Finder. The Tooleye Angle Finder is an excellent digital gauge for measuring angles with accuracy and ease. This tool has a measuring range of 0 to 360 degrees, making it highly versatile for a variety of projects. The Tooleye model is available in 4 different versions, each tailored to meet specific needs. The Protractor White, Protractor Steel, and Protractor Blue variants come with different materials, plastic and stainless steel, to give you options based on durability and comfort. Number 4. Shahe 5315 Angle Finder. The Shahe 5315 Angle Finder is a mini electronic digital protractor that provides great precision for all your measuring needs. With a resolution of 0.05 degrees and an accuracy of plus or minus 0.2 degrees, this tool ensures your measurements are always spot on. It's perfect for tasks requiring angle measurements in tight spaces due to its compact design. This angle finder is also equipped with a backlit display, making it easy to read even in low-light environments. Number 3. JUANJUAN Angle Finder. The JUANJUAN Angle Finder is a digital electronic protractor that delivers fast and accurate measurements with ease. Featuring a large, easy-to-read LCD display, it ensures that you can quickly determine the exact angle you're working with. This model stands out due to its powerful built-in magnets, which allow it to attach securely to any iron surface, keeping it stable while you work. With an accuracy of 0.2 degrees and a resolution of 0.05 degrees, this tool is highly reliable for most projects. The JUANJUAN Angle Finder works within a temperature range of -10 to 50 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor tasks. Whether you're working on a home renovation, woodworking, or simply need precise angle measurements for a repair job, this tool will make sure you get the job done right. Number 2. Shahe 5346 L Angle Finder. The Shahe 5346 L Angle Finder is a high-precision, rechargeable dual-axis level gauge that is perfect for professional use. This tool offers incredibly precise measurements with an accuracy of plus or minus 0.2 degrees at uniaxial and plus or minus 0.3 degrees at biaxial. It comes with 3 different units of measurement and offers 2 measurement modes, absolute and relative angles. The main display screen is designed to show both x-axis and y-axis data during biaxial measurement, allowing for detailed readings. Additionally, it features a built-in magnetic base for secure attachment and a Type-C charging port, making it convenient for on-the-go use. This angle finder is ideal for applications in construction, woodworking, plumbing, and other industries requiring high precision. It's easy to use, with automatic power-off functionality to conserve battery life, making it a great investment for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 1. RAND PT 180 Angle Finder. At the top of our list is the RAND PT 180 Angle Finder, a versatile tool that combines precision with practicality. This 3-in-1 laser digital protractor offers angle and slope readout conversion, making it an essential tool for a wide range of applications. The PT 180 stands out with its bidirectional laser design, allowing you to turn on both lasers on the left and right sides to ensure more accurate measurements. This angle finder also offers relative and absolute measurement interchange at any position, making it incredibly flexible. With a strong magnet on all 5 sides, it easily attaches to metal surfaces, giving you hands-free operation for measuring difficult angles. The compact design makes it easy to carry and use in tight spaces, while the Type-C charging port ensures you can charge it on the go. Whether you're working on construction, woodworking, car repairs, or any other project, the RAND PT 180 Angle Finder is built to make your measurements more accurate and efficient. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.